Good evening, YouTube. So, I found a bit of a fatal flaw in our beloved Opus BT C3100 to 2.2. Banggood sent me this one to play with. So, I needed this power splitter to run my new soldering iron thing the other day, because I normally use this 5 amp one, because this 3 amp one's kind of a little bit on edge. The transformer just gets hot. But anyhow, I digress. The reason I'm making this video tonight is I pulled the power supply plug out of this one day before these were finished. There's 4 LGDBHE 2165s, which are normally 2.5 amp 18650s, LG brand obviously, and this has actually killed them all. See how it's not registering? They're there, so this is just another, unless it's Samsung. Don't leave your batteries in your Opus, because it has actually killed the 18650s. They are nothing. They register no voltage. Trap for the young players. Just thought I'd really better share this, because I'm assuming that it discharges them really slowly, like they're not puffed up, they don't smell of electrolyte or anything. It's only been like a week. Absolutely dead. Dead batteries. It's killed 4 really good cells. Look at how clean they are and perfect they are. So I doubt they're going to come back from the dead. Just something to keep in mind when you're processing, because that's pretty upsetting, because they're great. I've got someone who wants to buy a lot of my 18650s as well, to make their own power wall. There's 4 that are just dead. I've paid for them, bought them, wasted my time processing them. Opus killed them. Keep that in mind, guys. Thanks for watching. Short, sharp video. This is the Opus C3100, the 2.2 version. Don't leave your cells in there with the thing not plugged in. Thanks for watching. Must be something in there that's eating a bit of power. Now you know, now I know, won't do it again. Thanks for watching. Go and subscribe to my automotive channel, down over there somewhere. If not, it's in the description. And if you buy something like this from banggood.com, I get a little kickback. Thanks guys, link in the video description. Catch you in the next one. Cheers.